This is a Claude conversation, exported as a finished PDF. Every table, every code block, every image still in place. Nothing broke on the way out. Claude does let you export your data. But that gets you your whole account history as one JSON file, not only this conversation, so here is a better way to do it. Install Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs extension from the Chrome Web Store. The link is in the description. Once installed, refresh your Claude tab. Export buttons now show up right inside the chat. By default, you get two icons, PDF and Word. Want more formats? Click the settings icon, then click Choose Export Buttons. Pick whichever format you want. To export one response, click any of these buttons at the end of it. That pulls out only what you need without the rest of the chat. To export the whole conversation, click the export buttons at the top of the chat. By default, that includes your prompts and Claude's responses. Want Claude's responses only? Go to Settings. Look for Include Only Claude Responses. Single response downloads is selected by default for single exports, or check entire conversation downloads for full ones. Now click PDF. The whole conversation exports at once. Equations and tables stay intact. Code keeps its indentation. Images land right where Claude put them. That's the same result you saw at the start. Grab Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs. Try it on your next Claude conversation and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.